Sustainable agriculture with solar power. Harnessing solar energy, we shape a future of sustainable, efficient, and resilient agriculture. Can renewable energy really solve agriculture's biggest challenges? Extreme weather disrupts farming, too much rain, too little rain, and shifting seasons. Then there is soil erosion, water shortages, and chemicals strain the land. Agriculture produces nearly 25% of global emissions, driven by fossil fuels and methane. Renewable energy is the key to a sustainable, resilient future. Green's capabilities powering agriculture with renewable energy. By integrating clean energy, we enhance efficiency, boost productivity, and reduce post-harvest loss. Smart processing and mechanization bring reliability and speed to farm operations. Through sustainable practices, we cut carbon emissions, optimize resources, and build resilience against climate challenges. A steady shift toward a cleaner, more sustainable future in agriculture powered by green. Reliable off-grid power stabilizes farms, cuts costs, and boosts yields, securing food supply. Smart grids and connected systems optimize energy use, while advanced storage ensures consistent renewable power for sustainable growth. Green's powering agriculture with sustainable solutions. Reliable power strengthens farms, builds resilience, and drives food security for a sustainable future. Through sustainable agriculture solutions, we empower farmers, improve livelihoods, and enhance quality of life. A future where agriculture thrives, communities flourish, and sustainability leads the way. How is solar energy revolutionizing real-time farming operations? With solar-powered irrigation, farms harness the sun to drive drip systems and water pumps, ensuring efficient water use. Agrivoltaics brings a new dimension farming beneath solar panels, maximizing land use while generating clean energy. Solar cold storage preserves crops, cuts waste, and extends shelf life. Solar agro-processing powers milling and drying, boosting efficiency while reducing fossil fuel use. The solar freezer preserves perishables, reducing food loss. Renewable energy accelerating sustainable agriculture and empowering every harvest. Key benefits. Solar power boosts climate resilience, powering irrigation, reducing crop loss, and enhancing precision farming. It optimizes water use, prevents soil erosion, and cuts chemical reliance. Low-carbon farming reduces fossil fuels, lowers emissions, and strengthens energy independence. Solar energy enhances farming, boosting productivity, improving yields, and extending work hours. It optimizes land use with agrovoltaics while protecting soil health. Beyond the farm, it empowers farmers, creates jobs, and strengthens rural economies. At Green, we are dedicated to driving progress and creating a lasting impact through innovative and sustainable energy solutions.